Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, the questions that I'm getting now is, so 24H2 coming up. What's next? What about Windows 12? What about all the future of all of this? What's happening? So right now, here's the thing. There's one certainty, and it's 25H2. So for now, we'll be, of course, updating our Windows operating system to 24H2 within a week or two. Some next week, some 2 weeks from now, and some later on, depending on this computer you have. But one thing for sure is that there's not a lot of news about anything else. 25H2 is a thing, that's for sure. It will be next year, probably at the same time, around September, October. Will contain new stuff. I think one of the biggest things that we are going to see in 2025 is how Microsoft is able to push AI in some way to our systems, be it with Copilot and be it with maybe some machines on Intel finally getting and AMD that will have NPUs getting some of the Copilot plus PCs feature, including recall. One thing for sure also is that, there's kind of a big lie with Microsoft. Microsoft saying it's one big update a year with new features, but we're constantly getting new features. So it's not true that it's one big update a year with features. It's actually constant features coming to the PC all the time. So we'll probably have some new stuff to talk about and to use on Windows 11. Windows 12, very quiet right now. There's no mention of anything. But then again, look at how quiet everything was when we thought we'd be getting this huge mega update for Windows 10 that would be a game changer. And that suddenly, out of the blue, came Windows 11. So what's going to happen next? Who knows? A lot of people are thinking, Windows 12 next year. As it didn't happen this year, it became 24H2. It's an interesting time. Will Windows 12 be something next year? Some say yes, some say no, but we have absolutely no indication right now. And it will all depend on how, Microsoft Windows team, what direction they want to go in the near future, basically. We know that the team that's there now is very different from what was in the past, so the direction of Windows has changed a lot in the future due to that, too. So we'll have the end of support, that's going to be a big one, end of support of Windows 10. Learning what price point is going to be the updates, the security updates, probably only maybe a month and a half before the end of support. They're not planning to tell us soon. All of that together, and the market shares also, seeing where Windows 11 stands next year, where it will stand, where Windows 10 will stand. And if there's a game changer, could there be a Windows 12? A lot of people are kind of waiting for that. Some people are saying, well, I don't want to have Windows 11. I want to wait and get Windows 12. And for now, there's no indication of a Windows 12 for next year or the year after. One thing for sure, there will be another Windows, probably. But for now, all things are quiet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.